morning, folks. It rained last night, but didn't rain a lot, so we are going to shell corn today. Kind of a surprise to wake up and see it didn't rain all that much. So I'm heading over to the grain bins now. Dad's over there. He got the dryer going. So we did shut it off last night because we thought we were going to be in for a long night of rain, but it's been running for a few hours now, so we weren't completely full. And I think there's 70 acres there, so between the trucks and what space is in the dryer right now, or in the holding bin now, we should be good on space. Might be a little tight though, but it's just me and him today though. George had to take his one of his in-laws to a doctor's appointment. Cody's at work till 3. I think he's going to join us when he gets off work, but hopefully we can make some progress. Holy crap, that's cleaning. So we're taking the trucks down now. Fingers crossed we don't get stuck. Oh, here goes nothing. Please don't get stuck. Please don't get stuck. Please don't get stuck. Come on. Come on. You want to turn. You want to turn. You want to turn. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. And we're sliding. And we're sliding. Oh, I made it. Well, one of the benefits of having George around is lunch is usually halfway decent. He's not here today, so we are eating high on the hog. Can of camel soup. Dad's eating beanie weenies.
Eating healthy today. George is missing out.
Looks like I get the gravy job today.
Okay, this is the nice part about a folding hedge. Never have to take it off. Get to the fields. Saves a lot of time. Beeping you hear is the train extensions going up. Okay, heads unfold, and all we gotta do is set the monitors now. Okay, gotta set, as you can see, it isn't set. Not gonna pick the field up, so we gotta take the puck out. Put it back in, then it will connect, hopefully. Now it's coloring in the map from last night. Yesterday. I think we're ready to roll now. Okay, we're going to calibrate the yield monitor before we get started. What I usually do every morning before we start the day. It's on. Now we're ready to start. As soon as you start up after 24 hours, first thing that happens is the concaves open and close. After that's done, then you can start. Then you got to reset the ag leader. When you recalibrate it, you got to put everything back in there, just the fields and that. So after that, then we can start. Oh, that's the ag part. It's daggone slow. I think it's got so much stuff in it. It needs to take some of it out. Put in the hybrid. This is Pioneer 1197. Okay, I think we're ready to roll.
His first load he's dumping here sitting still. He's doing that so he can get a good calibration on his yield monitor to make sure everything's right on that. From now on we'll be dumping on the go though. At least till I leave. Apparently Dad cleaned the cab corn off the combine. And anyone want to take a guess how long before he covers it with corn? I'm predicting that since there's no grain cart operator today once I leave, that it happens fairly soon. Just a guess. Back to the trucks we go. I'm so excited to get out of the nice warm tractor cab that had a radio and an air ride seat. Not.
Well, no grain cart operator now. Brian had to go dump trucks. George took the day off. Okay, we're doing these short rows here. You see this where the water was over up here. So down and back is about 2/3 of a bin, so it's not bad. I just dump every time. But when I get out of this, go clear length of the field, then I'm full at the other end of the field, and then I have to deadhead back, and that makes it for a slow draw. Okay, I went and dumped the grain cart. You can see it's full. The reason we dump it on the cart first is because we have scales. If it wasn't for that, I could dump it around the truck, but we weigh everything to the grain cart scales, and that's why we had to dump it on the truck, or the scale, cart first. So that kind of slowed me down a little bit. I guess that gives Brian more time to mess around. It's camera.
Looky there, boss man spilled some corn. On to the next truck. Following a bicycle. He's actually moving pretty good.
How we doing? Slow it up. You're awful slow or something.
It's like you're waiting on me.
Yeah.
Cody should be here soon, I'd say.
I forgot to mention that yesterday the dryer did end up working. I was trying, it wasn't getting enough flow out of this auger coming out of the holding bin. I opened up the flow a little bit to that, and then the dryer's ran fine ever since. I don't know if you can see that, but we're still a little about half full of wet corn. I think as long as we keep the dryer going, as slow as we're going, just the two of us, I don't think we'll catch it.
Okay, we're getting out here. Brian, let me show you what this perforated screen that we put under the clean grain elevator the other day, what it looks like and out in the field, what it's doing. So you can see here, it looks like it's doing its job pretty good. If you can see that, that is fine cracked corn. That's just something that won't go in the grain bin, plug up the aeration in it.
One of the best parts about working over at these grain bins is that we have a functioning coffee pot. I don't think you understand how hard it was to hold that coffee pot one-handed while holding this camera and looking here and trying to hit the cup. And we're heading back to the field. Alright, Cody just called. He's over at the grain bins waiting on me. He's going to bring the other truck that we haven't been using over, and then hopefully the plan is that I'll be able to run the grain cart for a little while till me and Dad catch him with the cart and the truck. With two of us running with the cart and whatnot, it won't take long to catch up to the trucks. So I'll run the cart till we catch him, and then I'll hop in one of the trucks, take it over there, and help him get caught back up.
Someone recently asked me what that gravity wagon was for. That pipe going to it is coming out of the seed clean or the grain cleaner. There's a cleaner on the back of the dryer. Before the grain goes into the air system through the airlock, it goes through that cleaner. That cleaner grabs all the bees' wings, all the fine stuff, and blows it into that gravity wagon. The theory behind that is to keep hot spots from developing in the grain bin. All that stuff was typically set up in the middle of the grain bin, especially since we're not running spreaders in them. That's why we do that. We've always done that with that dryer We get along okay at the other place with it, but we've never had grain spoil by running a cleaner. The others, we've never had grain spoil in the other place, but we have had places that got hot and maybe plugged up a grain bin. That's what that's for.
All right, we're back in the gravy job now, as George would say. Had to remind Dad that his anniversary is coming up. He asked him, so what in the world did you get married for in the middle of harvest? They just kind of laughed. He's forgotten a couple times, and they've spent more than one harvest combining corn or dumping trucks. I think they've been married 47 years now, so he doesn't forget too often anymore.
Dump on me as soon as you can. Here comes Cody.
Hey guys, for those of you wondering, since we put that frogmouth sieve in, we've ran approximately 150 acres of corn through it, and so far he says there's no performance lag with it or anything, so it definitely helps in beans and seems to not really make a difference in corn.
Corn, got the window shut. Now we're going to dump, see how fast it goes out. Getting hard to see it.
And Dad's getting into this whole filming thing. Flipped the lights on, then turned them right back off. So, what happened? Thought some kind of electrical issue happened. Said camera work. Alright. A few of you have asked me recently how much harvest we have left to go. When we get done with this cornfield, we'll have approximately 325 acres of corn. But unfortunately, we'll still have 800 acres of first crop soybeans, and then roughly 500 acres of double crop soybeans. Now the soybeans will go fairly quick with both machines running. We'll be able to burn through those pretty quick, but we just got to get the weather to get them out, and that's why they're still there. So there's going to be at least a few more harvest videos. Go ahead, tell your friends. Gotta catch the combine. Gotta catch the combine. Didn't even have to wait. I mean, I'm not saying I'm good, but I'll tell you, the running that we did earlier before Cody got here without the grain cart really makes you appreciate having the grain cart rolling, because we've got a lot done a lot faster. I mean, it's easily 3 times as efficient whenever you have the grain cart. Yeah, this field's a 1197, and it's yielding really well, but like the rest of the 1197 we have, it's starting to go down pretty bad. I mean, it's not flat or anything like that, but it's down enough he's having to run the head pretty low, and he ends up bulldozing up a bunch of corn fodder and whatnot. But this is the last round, so it ain't gonna matter much longer. I don't know if we have any more 1197, but I don't think so. Well, that's the end of this field. That's the last corn that we have in the area that we're going to do right now, so I think we're going to move everything back to the sheds. I'll probably try to dump all these trucks tonight, and that's probably going to be it. Alright, the cart's still got a half a load on it, so I'm going to take one of the semis over, and then I'm going to ride back with Cody. He's going to bring an empty truck over to dump what's left on the cart, and then I'll take the cart back to the bins. Say it, Big Mike. How much? Only one more trip now. I'm going to get the last truck. I'm sitting there dumping the last truck. Buddy texts me. He's harvesting corn somewhere. So I don't think we're gonna get as lucky as we did last night. Talking about the radar. Not looking good. Not looking good. We are east of all that. If by some miracle all that rain somehow misses us, decent chance we'll be able to run beans tomorrow. But say we're probably gonna be hauling corn out of the bin.
Let's think it's gonna rain.
It's coming. Well, guys, wet bin is full, and we are out of dry ground that we can harvest in. So that's it for today. If it doesn't rain, like I say, we might be able to do beans, but it doesn't look good. I'd say tomorrow we'll be hauling corn out of the bins, make some space for the last push, I guess. But thanks for watching. If you like what you've seen, follow me on Instagram at Brian's Farming Videos, Twitter at Brian's Farming Videos, and Facebook at Brown Farms, and we'll see you in the next video.